Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where I cover missing persons, unsolved cases, crime news, and more. Well, we resume court tomorrow, which is Tuesday, February 20th at 9 a.m. And I don't know if you guys have heard, but last week there was talk of a quote-unquote mystery witness. This person apparently called the tip line after hearing testimony last Tuesday.
Yeah, so week two after more than dozens of witnesses take the stand. Bit of a cliffhanger on this early Friday that the jury has let loose. Outside of their presence, the attorneys were arguing about a mystery witness who came forward during the course of this trial, called the tip line, spoke with police, did an interview with them. Here's what was said in court.
We learned of this same individual Wednesday afternoon that Attorney Smith is speaking about, and within about 10 minutes of us getting the report, we immediately provided it over. We're also going to be looking at it, but I can tell you we've had no contact with this person. We'll certainly look at it. I guess we could ask whether or not our advocate could try to locate a phone number and maybe reach out and have her try not to watch anything additional for the sequestration, but we have no contact with this person.
Well, this person there's just a tip line information? This person has not been interviewed?
Detective Rahill interviewed.
They did. Apparently they called the tip line, if I can just summarize briefly, apparently they called the tip line Tuesday after having watched the trial for several days. And in response to the tip line, Manchester Police said, okay, and sent a detective over to interview, or excuse me, I believe she came into the station to be interviewed, provided a statement that was audio and video recorded. The detective wrote that up and forwarded to us about 3 hours later, along with a copy of the video of the interview.
At the end of the day, it's still unclear whether or not the state is going to call this mystery witness. The defense pointing out the rule of sequestration could be a problem with this particular person. And then they also brought up the fact that they may want to call Kayla Montgomery's attorney to the stand after Kayla was informed by her attorney that they're pointing the finger at her during their opening statements.
Yeah, so I would think that that's kind of unusual to get a new witness, a tip, in the midst of a trial. I'm sure it's not unheard of, but I've never seen it happen. So again, I am curious if this new witness tip is going to come into play tomorrow or at some point this week. And I'm curious what the tip is, what this potential witness knows. They refer to them as a female, so I guess it's a woman. But beyond that, this was after testimony on last Tuesday. So definitely an interesting thing. And I would love to know who this person is and what they know. And as far as Kayla is concerned, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if she herself is back on the stand before the trial concludes. Because obviously they're trying to throw Kayla under the bus. She's also disgusting and she's done some horrific things, but again, I don't personally believe that she is the one who killed Harmony. I think she was an accomplice. She helped cover it up, but beyond that, I don't think that she was the one who did the deed. That doesn't mean that she doesn't deserve a punishment. And again, I still hope that the lies that she did tell on the stand, because I believe she lied, and I think both sides know it. I'm kind of hoping that gets rid of her plea deal there and keeps her in jail for longer. I hope that kind of screws up her potential future plans, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so I'm anxious to see what happens in court this week. And again, I'm praying for justice for Harmony. That's the bottom line here. We want justice for Harmony and whatever it takes. So let me know what you guys think of this mystery witness that called in the tip line last week. Do you think that we're going to see them on the stand, or do you think that they're going to argue it out and not let it, not let this person testify. I am all ears, and again, my I don't know, my spidey senses are tingling, or my true crime senses. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I want to know what this person knows and what they have, what they talk to this detective about. Same thing. It's like whenever they mute, I always want to know. It's a curiosity. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. And with that said, I hope you have a great rest of the day. And most of all, stay safe.